Hi friends, how are you? Hope that everything is fine. I'm Akshay here. As you read the title, in this video I'm gonna talk about bullish and bearish flag. What's this, how it works? We will know about this in this video. If you face any doubts regarding this video, you guys can clear your doubts on my Telegram. So now let's start the video. Now we will learn what is bullish and bearish flag. I don't want to make a long video, so I will not explain in much detail. I will explain you everything in simple and clear way. You can see my screen over here that this is bullish flag and this is bearish flag. We will understand this through an example that how bullish and bearish flag behaves. Now you guys can see an example on my screen. We call this left side image as a bullish flag pattern, and we call this right side image as a bearish flag pattern. I wanna explain little more that this is a graph of upward trend and this is a graph of downward trend. So I will explain through example that how a bullish flag is being formed in an upward trend graph. So let's move to an example. So this is our example. This is bullish flag and this is bearish flag. Let's suppose that somewhere around here is 200 moving average. Let me draw it. By watching 200 moving average line, we can identify easily that this is an upward trend or it's downward trend. Actually, bullish flag is formed in an upward trend graph, so you will watch it mostly it's forming in upward trend. And now let's suppose that somewhere around here is 200 moving average, so it's a downward trend, right? And generally you will watch it bearish flag is forming in downward trend. So here you can clearly see that exactly here a bullish flag is formed. From here price suddenly moved up, so it's obvious many people will book profit, so there will be a little bit of correction in the market. It's the speciality of the correction that when correction is being done on market, it moves in a specific area. You can clearly see over here from this point price rises up, and from this top point some sort of correction is done. When market was taking a correction, this was exactly trading in this sort of region. This is forming a flag. Way to take entry, I will explain through an example in TradingView. I will explain you how you can take entry watching this type of flag patterns. You will know everything about it in TradingView. Just keep watching the video. Now in the same way, this is bearish flag. As well here you will also watch forming a flag, but this time it will be a inverse flag. You can clearly see over here inverse flag is formed because of a downward trend graph. From this point suddenly price dropped, and after this it was trading in some sort of specific region. Due to this here inverse flag is formed. You can clearly see over here that exactly it is trading between these two areas, and due to this a flag is formed. Here in downward trend you will mostly see inverse flags, and in an upward trend you will mostly see the normal flags. So now let's move into the TradingView example. Let's take a Bitcoin chart or any other chart as an example to see the flag formations. Now we are on the TradingView. I wanna clear your doubts through an example. Here I have opened BTC chart in 4-hour time frame. I am giving an example of bullish flag. Watch carefully this example. Somewhere around from $35,000 area, a sudden rise in price occurred, and it continues rising till $57,000 area. After hitting $57,000, some people will obviously take profits, so a little correction was done on market. You can clearly see over here the correction is on the some sort of specific region. Here I have drawn two trend line over here. It is trading between that two trend line. Hope you have seen this example carefully, and I hope you have seen bullish flag over here as well. Now you might ask a question that where to take entry. We will take entries in breakout. So we will take entry on breakout over here as well. There would still be a question in your mind that which trend line will break so that we can take entry, because there is a two trend line you have drawn. I am zooming out my screen. You can see over here that we will take entry after breaking this upper trend line. If any candle closes above that trend line, we will take our entries. You can do long as well or take entries in spot. Stay alert when you are trading any coins. Just make sure to know the market sentiments. This is just part of technical analysis which I am covering. There is no guarantee that market will move according to this. This is just a signal that there will be more probability that market will go according to this. And you can see here as well, market has moved according to this flag concept. and after this breakout market moved up. This was all about bullish flag, and bearish flag works just opposite to this. You have to take entry at the breakdown of the trend line in bearish flag. I hope that this topic is as clear as a transparent glass. I gave lot of examples to make you understand better. So we'll meet again in the next video. If you learned something from this video, please like it and share it with your friends. For the time being, take care, trade well, and goodbye.